Hello, folks. Thank you for joining me, Aditi, for a 5-minute gentle yoga practice. Come into a tabletop position and slowly extend your arms all the way towards the top edge of your mat, bringing your forehead on the floor. With pressure against our forehead, we are working on calming our nervous system. If you feel you're holding a lot of tension in your shoulders, then increase the distance between your hands to almost mat width. Now press into all 10 fingers and notice the release in your shoulders. Transitioning into mid-back, we'll slide our left arm all the way under right, bringing our left ear on the mat. Feel free to adjust your right arm. Your right hand can come in front of your face, or we can bring it on our lower back. We can also keep our right arm fully extended. This stretch is targeting our mid-back, so we are working on releasing some tension, some stress we are holding in our thoracic region. Let's take few deep breaths in this position. Slowly unwind, pressing into right arm, slide the left arm out, and then gradually guide your left arm into full extension. Right arm goes underneath. Adjust your left arm. You can keep it overhead. It can be in front of your face or lower back. Allow your right ear to become heavy and breathe into your mid-back. Great way to release some tension we are holding in our thoracic region. Bending our left elbow, left arm comes in front of our face and we come back out of our posture. Coming into wide-legged child pose, we'll bring our big toes together, knees are almost mat width apart. Extending our arms, we bring our forehead on the floor. Now connect with your breath. Notice that rise and fall in your belly. Targeting the side body, we'll gradually walk our arms towards right side, noticing the stretch happening from our left hip crease all the way towards our fingertips. Great way to release our lateral line of fascia, connective tissue in our side body. We can adjust our right arm. Right arm can go on our lower back. You can also keep your right arm as it is. Imagine your left arm is growing longer. Maybe your left hand is trying to crawl a little further forward. Now create that space in your entire left side. Breathe into your intercostal muscles in between your ribs. Letting go will guide our body back to center. Keeping hips and heels connected, let's walk our arms all the way towards left side. Relax your left arm, adjusting your left arm, perhaps keeping it as it is or lower spine. And imagine right arm is growing longer, right hand is crawling a little further forward. Let's breathe from our hip crease, right side, all the way towards our right fingertips. Noticing sensations and breathing into these sensations, giving our body permission to relax, to stretch, to open up. Couple more deep breaths here in this side body stretch while calming our central nervous system. And then making our way back to center, lifting our hips up. You're back into your table. Separate your toes. Perhaps shaking our hips slightly side to side and then guiding our arms towards the top edge of our mat. Spread your fingers wide. Tuck your toes. Keep your knees bent as you take your sit bones all the way up towards the ceiling, towards the sky. We are in our inverted position, inverted V-like shape, your downward dog. Feel free to pedal out your feet, dropping your heels down so you can get that nice juicy stretch, that release through your calves, through your hamstrings, pressing into your arms. Your arms are extended, pressing into those fingertips, getting that stretch in your upper body, in the lower half of your body, and releasing some of that pent up tension, that's energy in the backs of our legs. Gradually releasing the lower back, Let's kick our leg up and we'll slide our foot in between our hands, coming into our low lunge position. Bend your other knee, lift your foot, and we will guide that back foot towards the top edge of our mat so we can come into our standing upright position, getting out of our lunge. That was a very gentle way to start our day.